How to message someone on Threads app. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. First and foremost, ensure you have installed the updated version of Threads. From here, go ahead and check out your Threads application. Log in into your channel if you have not yet. Once you are logged in, you can go ahead and check on the user that you wish to message. You can tap on the user icon of the person. So over here in the thread, you can see there is the option of follow or mention, but there is no such option as messaging the user. So in this case, what we need to do is we actually have to click on the Instagram icon right at the top of the bio. Then from here, you'll be redirected to the Instagram page. Over here, you will see the message icon. You can click on it. Then you can message the user. But before you message it, make sure you follow the user itself. So this is how you actually can message someone on Threads app. We hope that you found this informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.